Hey Racer, welcome back to the Engine Fixer. If you're new here, I'm Charles E. Powers, and today we're diving into something that every car owner should know: how to change your engine oil at home by yourself. It's one of the simplest DIY tasks that can extend your engine's life, improve performance, and save you a bunch of money. Stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's go. Scene 2. Preparing the car. First, we need to warm up the engine for about 5 minutes. You don't want it hot, just warm. This helps the oil thin out and drain easier. Next, shut the engine off, engage the parking brake, and if you're working on a slope, use wheel chocks behind the tires. Now, lift the front of the vehicle using a car jack, and always place it securely on jack stands
to loosen the plug. Once it's loose, finish unscrewing it by hand. Keep a firm grip so you don't drop it into the oil pan. And be careful, the oil might still be pretty warm. Let the oil fully drain out. It might take several minutes. While it's draining, you can take a minute to inspect your drain plug. If it has a gasket, check if it needs to be replaced. Some drain plugs have a rubber washer. If it's damaged, replace it onto the rubber gasket on the filter. This helps create a proper seal and prevents the gasket from sticking or tearing. Now, screw the new filter on by hand. Tighten it snug, but don't overdo it. Hand tight is just fine. Never use a wrench to tighten a new oil filter. Scene 5. Threads. With the drain plug back on, it's time to add new oil. Use a funnel to avoid spills. Pour in the amount of oil recommended in your owner's manual. Most passenger cars take between 4 and 6 quarts, but always check your manual. Check under the car for leaks around the drain plug and filter. If there are no leaks, turn the engine off and wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and then pull it out again to check the oil level. It should be between the minimum and maximum marks. If it's low, add a little more oil and check again. Centers will accept used oil for free. Never dump used oil into the trash, street, or drains. And there you have it. Changing your engine oil is a simple job that can seriously extend the life of your car, and you just save yourself a trip to the shop and a nice chunk of change. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more car maintenance videos, and let me know in the comments what repair you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.